What do we have to know? First, how is the weather? Are you having fun? Do you want to stand outside in the sun for 5 minutes? What do you say? No, huh? Okay. Our story of this place begins 1957 when the first scrolls have been found by a young boy lived here. He was wandering around, entered two caves, and found the vessels. It was clear quite quickly that probably there are some more scrolls hidden around, and then in many of the caves around, including this one that is just here. Do you see this one? Yeah. Down here? Good. Many types of scrolls. Almost the entire Torah was found, and not only, also the entire Old Testament. But one book, the book of Esther, or the scroll of Esther, wasn't found here. It is actually the newest in the Tanakh, which is the Old Testament. This is the newest part of it. It means that probably the story of Esther didn't come and didn't arrive until this area. This is why only Esther was not found here. We know about the people who lived here, about Yachad, because they actually wrote about themselves. So if you are an archaeologist, it's so good for you that you don't even have to try to connect the dots. They just write to you. We are this and that, we do this, this is our schedule, this is what we do, this is what we believe. Very fun, right? Mm-hmm. For like if you try to research this place. Look to this side, please. Now, this is one of the originals, mikveh, means ritual bath. The idea is, now let's understand, what makes a mikveh mikveh? Can I go to the Dead Sea to do, to get purified? Can it work? The answer is no. Can I go to the Mediterranean? The answer is no. I need to use only fresh water. Okay? Now, using only fresh water is important, so means if I'm next to the Jordan River, can I enter inside and get purified? Yes. Absolutely. Of course. I mean, it happened, right? But if I don't have the Jordan River next to me, like in here, can I go to the Jordan River, take buckets and vessels, fill them with water and pour everything here? Can I do so? Absolutely not. Do you know why? Absolutely not. Why is it so? The water must arrive to the mikveh without any interfering or any touch by humans. It means that tunnels that will take the water from the floods up there, here, is okay. Taking the water, not okay. Okay? Make sense? Good. As I told you before, you enter absolutely naked, nothing on you to separate between us and the water. Usually, entering is from the right side, and then you get out from the right side, which is actually the left side now, because those who are already purified cannot touch those who are not yet. Make sense? Yes. Good. So this is mikveh.
I have a question.
Yes.
Was there different purification day for men as versus women, or they all were purified together same day?
Okay. Awesome question. Now, today, there are different places. There are mikveh for women, mikveh for men, and they are like all different. The idea itself is quite the same. In this story, we're now going to hear about Yachad, the community who lived here, and we will see that this question about this place is less relevant because they were men. Okay? So in general, usually separated, in places or in times. Men and women will never bath together. In this place, irrelevant, only men were here. Means that, yeah, question.
Was it the Essenes that were here purifying themselves?
The,
The Essenes.
It is a very, very, very big question. Actually, scientists didn't come to conclusion yet, because it's not sure if they were or not. Actually, I saw an article about a month ago, says that it can be something like 50-50,
Okay.
because they don't really know.
Because Jesus that belonged to the Essenes as well.
Yeah, right. But so I'm saying
I hear
it's
you.
like
50-50.
not sure yet.
Yeah.
Even though it makes sense. I mean, it would make sense. There isn't any reason not.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah, you're welcome. So as we saw right now, then this is where John the Baptist lived. He didn't complete his 2 years to become part of the Yachad, and then he probably went to find another place for him to baptize himself. So here is the Dead Sea, and just next to the Dead Sea, the Jordan River ends, which makes like perfect sense about why he moved from here to Jordan River.